So when you go to Desmos.com, you would type in the first equation on top and the second equation on bottom. So remember, we split that equation into two different equations. Y equals 7x plus 5, which could be seen in red, and y equals 12x plus 15, which could be seen in green. So what we're looking for is a point of intersection, which is where the two lines cross each other. It cannot be seen here, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom out, and looks like they're going to cross down here. And if you just tap on that, you'll see that it's the point -4, -33. And so go ahead and you make a sketch of that on your review sheet right there. Label the point of intersection, and x is equal to -4. So the equation, absolute value of 4x minus 2 equals 3x minus 5, is not going to have a solution. They're never going to touch each other. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change this up to give you an example of one where there is a solution. So instead, we're going to do the equation absolute value of 3x minus 2, that take away 10, is equal to 56x plus 1. So again, we're going to make this a system of equation. We're going to get the equation on the left, call it y sub 1 equals absolute value of 3x minus 2 minus 10. And then we're going to get the equation on the right, which is 56x plus 1. We're going to say y sub 2 is equal to 5/6x plus 1. And we're going to go ahead and put them into Desmos. So on Desmos, the way you put an absolute value is by going to right here, right above the ABC. So it's the absolute value, and it was 3x minus 2. And we're going to go ahead and hit the absolute value sign again to close it out. And then we want a minus 10. And for our top equation, we want to put 5/6 x. And so you do 5 divided by 6. Press the right arrow so it doesn't stay in the denominator, x plus 1. And so here, this is kind of interesting because we have two different points of intersection. It's the point 66 and the point -2.348, -0.957. So we're going to take a sketch of this. All right, we're going to sketch this graph. That's one thing that this is asking you to do. So your sketch of the graph should look something like that, maybe a little bit more zoomed in. So you could go to Desmos and find some more specific values to inform your sketches. And again, this is the point 66. And this other point of intersection. What we're really interested in is the x value is -2.348. -2.348. That's the x value right there. So those are your two solutions. This has two solutions. X equals -2.348 and 6. So if you were to plug both of these into your original equation, it's going to balance it out.